This is Dinar Community with a major breaking story. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is no longer a rumor. It's real, it's official, and it's global. As of this morning, a landmark development has swept across the global financial system. The Central Bank of Iraq, in coordination with key international entities, has executed what experts are calling a once-in-a-century revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. The dinar has been reinstated to a new and globally tradable rate, officially pegged at $3.90 United States cents per one Iraqi dinar. Pushpin Iraqi government confirms rate adjustment. At a live press event held at the Central Bank of Iraq headquarters in Baghdad, CBI Governor Ali Al-Alak and Finance Minister Taif Sami publicly confirmed the revaluation, stating that this step represents the culmination of years of planning and economic restructuring. They emphasized Iraq's restored sovereignty and growing global trade partnerships as critical to this bold monetary decision. Minister Sami stated, "This revaluation affirms Iraq's return as a major economic player. The new rate reflects the true value of the dinar in light of our nation's oil wealth, gold reserves, and the economic reform strategies now in place." Pushpin International Banking Systems go live with new IQD rate. The financial reset wasn't limited to Iraq. International payment systems including SWIFT, IBAN, and Forex trading terminals began reflecting the new rate for the IQD early this morning. Central banks in Europe, Asia, and the Americas have acknowledged and adopted the rate change, with global institutions calling this event monumental for foreign exchange markets. Insiders at the Bank for International Settlements (BIS) noted that the revaluation had been greenlit following extensive collaboration between Iraq, the IMF, and the World Bank over the past 18 months. The BIS confirmed this revaluation was designed to align with the emerging BRICS Plus economic framework, creating parity and balance in a multipolar global monetary system. Pushpin U.S. Treasury and Federal Reserve react swiftly. In a joint press release issued this morning, the U.S. Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve acknowledged Iraq's currency shift and have synchronized systems to accept IQD at the new rate of $3.90 USD. According to a source familiar with internal operations, banks across the United States were pre-positioned for this event and are now activating Tier 1 redemption protocols for qualified IQD holders. At several Tier 1 banks, special foreign currency desks have already begun exchanging dinar at the new rate for customers with verified holdings. Pushpin massive wealth shift underway. Economists are calling this the largest one-time wealth transfer in modern history. With many investors holding IQD from as far back as 2004, millions of individuals globally are now seeing massive increases in net worth. Financial analysts predict that global liquidity will experience a significant expansion as newly realized capital enters markets. A handful of private banking institutions have already begun notifying clients with pre-exchange arrangements, while high-net-worth individuals are being offered structured payout programs tied to U.S. Treasury-backed securities. Pushpin Vietnamese dong next. With the dinar revaluation confirmed, speculation is turning toward the Vietnamese dong (VND). Unconfirmed reports suggest that Vietnam may soon follow with its own currency adjustment, potentially aligning with a BRICS-aligned basket of currencies in development. Pushpin special instructions for dinar holders. If you hold Iraqi dinar, officials are advising the following steps. 1. Contact your local Tier 1 bank to confirm if they are facilitating IQD exchanges at the new rate. 2. Ensure your currency is authenticated and documented. 3. Avoid scams and do not share personal financial details outside of verified banking institutions. More information will be released through official channels, and Dinar Community will be providing hourly updates as this story unfolds. Final thoughts. This is more than just a revaluation, it marks a fundamental shift in the global financial order. Iraq's emergence from economic chaos into financial prominence represents a beacon of possibility for other emerging economies. Stay with us at Dinar Community for continuing updates on this historic breakthrough. Like and subscribe for more videos.